Hi guys, it's me, _29. Hi guys, it's me, _29. So today I'm with Princess. Alright, so please follow her YouTube channel. I just posted a comment here below, so please follow her. So today video is all about English challenge. Yes! You know, I'm an English spoken in here. I'm born in Canada.
Nasaan ba yung tubo?
So yeah, today I'm gonna speak English for all the time, like all day. For all the time, like all day. That's my topic in my YouTube channel. So let's get to it! So we're ready. We're getting ready.
He almost said it.
But our driver is not yet ready. But our driver is not yet ready. It's not yet ready. Oh my god. So yeah guys, if you can notice, I'm speaking English because I'm not allowed to speak Tagalog for my entire video. Because this little girl, I need to pay her like $1 if I speak Tagalog. So that's the deal.
Please.
So tell to my viewers what we're gonna do today.
We're gonna go to IKEA. We're gonna do furniture shopping. And if he speaks Tagalog, he has to give me like a treat. So
I'm so excited. So yeah. So this is our life in Canada. So we're ready. We're gonna go to IKEA first to buy our furniture. So we're gonna go home. We're gonna go home. Princess Master. Miss Princess. So we're getting to ride a car right now. And this is the little Papa. This is the little Papa. Going. So cold. Amazing. So guys, we're going to IKEA first, and then let's see what else we're gonna do today since it's Valentine's Day. Oh yeah, just give it to me, baby. Hope there's no lineup. Cause Versace on the floor. So yeah, so oh my god, it's really hard to speak English all the way. English all the way.
Not me.
Oh, I see the IKEA!
I'm gonna zoom in.
We're so close. After a long wait, we're here in IKEA. My god. We survived. We got survived, guys. So today, guys, I'm gonna give you a tour to IKEA. Yay! I'm gonna give you a tour with Francis Rennee on IKEA. So pretty here. Oh, look at my house right now. It's so beautiful. Wow. So nice here. Look. So nice at IKEA. So we're done here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next week. So guys, we're done IKEA.
3 times. 3 times we did it. 3 times.
Oh my god. This is so cold, bitch. Ang lamig.
Seatbelt, seatbelt.
Oh, we're done, everybody.